I'm going to discuss theory of income and employment. This is chapter 12 of your book. Okay, this is most important chapter. In this video, I will discuss desired and effective demand. Okay, desired and effective demand I will discuss. Try to understand the concept of this chapter. In this video, I will discuss desired. Okay, this is day 2. Already I have made one video on this chapter, and in this video, I will discuss desired and effective demand. Okay, try to understand the concept of desired and effective demand. Okay, try to understand the concept. What is desired demand? At first, I will discuss what is desired demand. Desire means what? Hope. Icha. Aggregate demand is the total amount of goods and services demanded in the economy. It refers to the desire intended. Desire means intended or planned. End, which means beforehand, demand or spending by the people. Try to understand the concept at first. Desired demand means the total amount of the goods and services they would like to purchase. Demand is what? You want to purchase something from the market. We can consider four main groups of buyers in the economy. First, individual consumers. Second, households, firms. Third, governments, and foreign purchase. Okay, it means what? They desire to purchase anything from the market. Okay, it means what? AE is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. It means what? AE minus, try to understand, the desired spending on the domestically produced goods and services is called aggregate spending and can be expressed as in this way. Okay, it means what? AE stands for aggregate expenditure or aggregate demand. C is desired consumption. Okay, I is investment expenditure. G is desired government spending. X minus M is equal to is the net exports, difference between exports and imports. Okay, what is the main component of aggregate demand? The main component of aggregate demand is household consumption, expenditure, investment, and government expenditure. Okay, and net exports. Clear? So it is desired demand. Now I will discuss effective ex post demand. What is effective demand? Try to understand the concept at first. Effective or ex post demand. Okay. Effective means what? Effective demand is the total amount of goods and services. What? Goods and services. This is also called demand, total amount of goods and services that people actually buy in an economy. Ex post concept. Okay. Ex post means what? Afterwards. Ex post means afterwards. Here ex post is written. Afterwards is what? Afterwards. Okay. It refers to, it means what? It refers to something that actually or unlimited happens. Effective demand is the actual aggregate demand. What is actual aggregate demand? Okay. Desired spending need not be equal to actual spending. Okay. It means what? This will lead to an increase in the inventory investment. Actual spending will be more than desired spending. Okay. Try to understand the concept at first. Therefore, in a simple two-sector closed economy, aggregate demand is made up of two components. First, consumption, expenditure, and investment. It means what? AE is equal to C plus I. C plus I. Try to understand. AE means what? Consumption expenditure refers to the desired expenditure. Okay, desired expenditure by the households on the purchase of consumption. Investment expenditure is desired expenditure by the producer on the purchase of capital goods. Which type of capital goods? Tools, plants, machinery, factory building, etc. Okay, it means what? It is an important look into the determination of these two spending categories. So in this video, we have understood what is effective demand and desired demand. In next video I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel.